Hey, my son.
Hello.
What you gonna do?
Okay.
Oh, you wanna put animal in a boat?
It's an art.
Oh, art. I'm sorry, not boat. It's art.
Because boat is small, Daddy.
Or because boat you cannot put animal.
Yeah?
Yes, because we need an ark because we can put many animals there, right?
And back.
So who make the ark? It's you.
All the animals.
Animal cannot make an ark. Someone should be make an ark for the animals.
I cannot.
Oh, so who sent up the animals right there? It's you.
Yes.
So can you tell me your name?
God.
What is your name? Victor. Is all your animals right here?
Yes.
Okay.
You're going to camping.
Oh, you're gonna tape that to the campaign?
Yes.
Wow. Oh, that your truck. Wow. Oh, there's also lion over there.
That's a tiger
Oh, that's tiger.
and the Peppa Pig.
Wow. And you have many. What is that?
A pig.
No, that's not pig. Look like a cat.
That's look, my kitty cat.
Oh, kitty cat. Ugh. Okay, you wanna say something?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Go.
I was building an ark,
Okay.
and the animal and ark,
Yep.
they get in there and outside here, and they're driving.
Or are you driver?
That's Farmer John. He's a driver.
Okay. Okay, thank you for your time. I will see you next time, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye.